In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your BeeHiiv email sender name. This is a simple but really important tweak because your sender name is one of the first things your subscribers see in their inbox. Getting it right can improve your open rates and help your audience immediately recognize your emails. First, open your browser and go to your BeeHiiv dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple newsletters or publications. Once you're logged in, you should land on the main dashboard where you can see your overview, recent performance, and other stats. From here, look toward the left-hand side or the top navigation bar, depending on the current layout of BeeHiiv, and find the option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings. This is where you control most of the behind-the-scenes details for your publication, including things like domains, design, and of course, email options. Inside the settings area, you'll see several sections. You want to locate and click on the section labeled Emails. This might be under a publication or general settings category, but it will be clearly marked as emails. Clicking this will open up all the configuration options that relate specifically to how your emails are sent and how they appear to subscribers. Once you're on the email settings page, look for a field called Sender Name or something very similar. This is the name that shows up in your subscribers' inboxes as the person or brand sending the email. Click into that sender name field, delete the existing text if needed, and type in the new sender name you want to use. Take a moment to think about what will be most recognizable and trustworthy to your audience. For example, you might use your brand name, your personal name, or a combination of both. Keep it short, clear, and consistent with what your subscribers expect to see. Avoid using anything that looks spammy or confusing, because that can reduce your open rates. After you've typed in the new sender name, make sure any on-screen save or update button is clicked, so your changes are actually applied. Some platforms autosave, but it's always a good habit to look for a confirmation or a small notification that your settings have been updated. Once that's done, your future emails from BeeHiiv will display this new sender name in your subscribers' inboxes. That's all there is to it. Your sender identity is now up